Bit of gardening this afternoon. Hopefully get rid of some of these bushes, because that's the location for my next soakaway. So this is how it's going so far. We've had to move the hole forward and we're in a bit of a wedge here. I know I've got a water main running down this side, just underneath the path, I believe, but again, difficult to trace water accurately. Got the road here, of course I don't want to go too close to this. You know, I've got vehicles running here and I'm trying to dig a 3 metre deep hole. It's not ideal. We then found this electric cable here, which wasn't picking up at all. Luckily it had the warning tape on it. Of course we dig in layers, we dig slowly, but yeah, wasn't picking that up at all. I had the generator, signal generator on this, just over here, when I was tracing, I knew the water main was in here. But yeah, there you go. I reckon it runs probably to that street light. Of course the street light's not on. I was actually told the street light was fed from in the compound area here and ran across the road, but I couldn't find any evidence of that either. But I don't know, maybe it is, maybe it isn't. But we definitely got an electric cable here. So we had to shift the whole hole forward, which we're now down on the chalk. Rick's just got back with the tractor, so we shall carry on digging.